Lennox is chopping up the jerk chicken over here. How's it going, my friend?
I am good, thanks.
Good. Jerk chicken. For those who have never heard of jerk chicken, how would you explain it to them?
It's a fusion of spices
Yeah.
that's marinated into the meat,
Right.
which makes it very hot and spicy.
It is hot and spicy. I'm going to taste a little piece.
No problem.
Oh, yeah. So far, so good, Lennox.
We're working on it.
Wow. And that's your favorite spice, right?
Oh, yeah.
Now, people can get this if they want to cook with it at home.
Oh, yes. It's available at any of the local stores.
Yeah.
And even the big box Farm Boy just stuck it on.
Yeah. Now, Caribbean spices are a whole lot different than, well, the spices are the same. They're just used differently than anywhere else in the world, right?
Oh, we want those.
Why? How did it end up that the Caribbean became so famous for super spicy food?
I guess the people are just crazy.
The people just loved
I
it,
guess
right?
so.
Like the native people just loved the hot and spicy.
We want the heat, and the hotter you bring it, the better.
Is
for
it
us.
not hot enough down there?
Okay.
So you're making Caribbean jerk chicken poutine.
Yeah. As I said, coming from the Caribbean, living in Canada, why not fuse the two of them together?
Right.
Take a staple Canadian poutine,
Yep.
mix it to our spicy, and create a
I
jerk
can't
poutine.
say I blame you. Exciting news for you, my friend. I know you're very excited.
Yep.
Of all the announcers announcing of closings in Kingston, you're opening.
Yep, we are moving to the Kingston area.
Nice.
Yeah,
Just like in Jamaica. Different Kingston.
different Kingston.
And that's exciting because your business is successful here downtown over in Saint Laurent. So you're franchising out.
Yep,
That's cool.
It's about time to branch out, test out a new market.
Yeah.
See-
You and I were talking in the break, and it seems the most popular place for Caribbean restaurants like yours is in Toronto.
Yes,
But there's not a lot around this area.
we need
at
more
all.
Caribbean restaurants
We do,
here
actually.
locally.
Yeah, because we've got a great Caribbean population,
Yeah,
and
and
people want to experiment and try these foods.
It's a building population. Why not take advantage
Yeah.
of it?
You find more and more people from the Caribbean are moving here to this part of the
yes.
world? Is that right?
Yeah, you meet before it was like a smaller market.
Yeah.
Now you meet basically the Caribbean is a very huge place. There's
Yeah.
so many islands in the Caribbean.
Yeah.
And you get to meet different
Why
people.
they want to leave there and come to this, winter-ridden country, I do not know. Because
Something different.
we could have an exchange program. I could
Sure.
have there. And seriously though, you can see the amount of increase in the population and the involvement in the community at Carib Expo and things like that, right?
Which is coming up in the next couple of
yeah,
months.
I'm looking forward to that.
Yeah,
Okay,
we'll be there too. We
Yeah,
have
yeah.
our stand, and we're gonna have our own truck as
Right.
usual.
Oh, is that right?
So today we're going after what's become one of our favorite now in the restaurant, the jerk poutine.
Jerk poutine.
Yeah.
This is a staple at Island Flavor.
I don't know. The rotis are getting troubled. I'm kind of worried when it comes to the rotis now.
We're sending Sarah Fremont over to try roti.
Okay.
She's never tried it.
No.
And yours is the best on the planet, as we've
Thank-
all heard.
Thank you very much.
All right.
So,
and you've got the fries,
The fries,
regular
y-
fries.
yep.
Jerk
The
chicken.
jerk chicken, which is marinated.
And you've done something special to the gravy.
Yep, we have our jerk gravy.
Saint cheese. The
Saint
is it St. Albert's cheese.
St. Albert's.
There's nothing better.
Nope, we try to keep it within the community.
Yeah. The squeaky cheese.
Oh, the real cheese curds.
Yeah.
I can see Jeff coming over.
Yeah. Oh yeah. He's not missing this.
And boom.
I'm
Just
here
like
for the
that.
moment.
Well, I appreciate that.
And
Big
this
moment.
that's where we go with that
we go.
crazy sauce.
Now that's
has to be-
hot gravy in many ways.
Yes.
Is that right?
It's not just hot as in heat, but hot as in spices.
And it
I
has,
am
to
actually going to try this today. I may pay for it later.
be, it has to be piping hot too to get the curds to.
Yes, to melt and get that.
Now, Island Flavor is just a stone's throw from over here on what I like to call Dalhousie.
And I call it Dalhousie.
Do you?
The argument continues.
I know. I went to Dalhousie University, Lennox. What can I tell you?
There it is.
Okay.
So there it is. What's become the big thing here in Island
It's really
Flavor.
popular, eh?
Yes.
People love it.
There we go.
How can you not love it?
Okay.
It's
Curd,
poutine.
Watch the spices.
Jerk chicken. Watch. Okay.
Oh my God. It makes me, I'm starting to sweat already. I haven't eaten any, I'm sweating.
It's not that spicy. I try to keep it mild for you.
That's delicious. Oh, and it's a
Yeah.
good flavor spice too. Hence, Island Flavor.
Hence the name.
It is spicy.
I like
I
it.
try to keep it mild for curd.
Mild for me. Man.
I'm back in. This is good.
Yeah. So, What else? What else is hot these days? What else are you cooking up over there?
Well, starting in May, I do have a new product which I'm going to launch.
Oh, is that right?
So I'll be back to mention it.
A secret.
Oh yeah, it's
product?
always try to keep the hype going and always try to keep something new. Yeah, so I am launching a new again. It's going to be a Canadian Caribbean fusion.
It's so good.
But it's hot in my mouth.
Yeah.
I tell you, I cursed the day those doctors took my gallbladder.
Oh, that's what it is.
That's what happened, man. I was Mr. Eat the hottest food ever.
Oh, yeah?
And they took my gallbladder, and that was the end of that.
So just call me in advance. I'll make sure it's toned down for you.
Matter of fact, you do that with a lot of your foods that you serve to people, depending on the degree of hotness they want. You can make it a certain level.
Oh,
right?
definitely. I said spices is something you could always add in. You cannot take it out.
Yeah.
So I try to cook my food as mild as possible.
Yeah.
And then work it up as a customer requires.
That's freaking delicious.
Oh, so good.
Chicken
Lennox.
Yeah.
Over at Island Flavor, you can go over and have some for lunch or whatever
Yep.
today.
I'm there all day today, 409 Dalhousie,
Yeah, and in the East End on San Laurent.
234 Montreal Road.
Awesome. And soon in Kingston, ladies and gentlemen.
Yep.
Soon. When do you know when you're gonna open?
I'm looking at June right now.
Is that right? It takes time. You got. I know you have a location.
Yes.
And you're working on getting things in order.
Exactly. So we're looking at end of June. Yeah.